Do you believe in the future of Canadian real estate? You would be forgiven for second guessing it based on what has happened in the last couple of years. I agree with you for this very reason. I believe in looking at history to learn from it so we can project what might happen next. And so as I look at this chart here, let's take a look at these numbers. 45 years ago, properties were selling on average in Toronto for $67,000. A few years later, about 30 years ago, those properties were at $205,000. And by the way, that was in the middle of a recession, but property prices were still up from years before. Where are we today? Well, we're up around $1.1 million. What this represents is a 450% increase in value in the last 30 years. And if you go back 45 years, a 1,500% return. And I always look at this and go, well, how much longer do I plan on living? I could potentially hit 45 years. And that being the case, then yeah, there's probably a 1,500% upside in my future from my real estate holdings. And then I always say, well, how much more can I get within reason? We don't have to buy 100 houses. But this is something that I always look back on when I'm in the middle of a market like the one we've been in. What we've seen will happen again. Whatever happens going forward, we will have some ups and we will have some downs. But as long as that chart continues to go up and to the right, then all of us will likely be okay and wealthier than we are today.